Although it is often referred to as drilling out the injury, it's important to note that a standard drill bit should never be used to remove damage from a tire puncture. Drill bits are designed to pull material out as they burrow and carve their way into the hole. If you were to do this to a tire, you'd simply create more damage by pulling and ripping the belts and cords that help add structure to the tire. A carbide cutter, on the other hand, is designed to do just what the name implies: cut. With teeth that are sharp and designed to cut in the same direction, you're cutting away the material rather than tearing and ripping at it. This results in a smooth, clean surface that helps maximize repair unit adhesion. When using a carbide cutter, we recommend a minimum of 3 to 5 passes from inside the tire and 3 to 5 passes from the outside of the tire, depending on the type and thickness of the tire you're working on. Be sure to use a low-speed drill with a maximum speed of 1200 RPM to prevent overheating the cutter, which leads to scorching the rubber. Finally, after drilling is complete, carefully inspect the injury to ensure that all the loose material has been safely removed. Tech offers a variety of sizes of carbide cutters. Be sure you're using the appropriate size cutter to prepare the injury. Begin by measuring the injury using Tech's TRT 105 measuring tool, then use this handy guide to determine the right size cutter to do the job. Thank you for watching. For more information on these and other Tech products, please visit techtirerepairs.com. And to stay current on all things Tech, be sure to follow us on Facebook and Instagram.